Hi, I'm Jordi Bordas, World Pastry Champion and the creator of the B-Concept Pastry Method. I began my path into the world of pastry at a very young age, but I truly fell in love with it when I first visited France. That's where I discovered the Patisserie de Boutique. This type of pastry, which is becoming increasingly popular, is basically all about displaying an assorted collection of petits gâteaux in a showcase. In France, I discovered spectacular showcases such as Frank Freson's in Metz, which has a beautiful collection with different flavors, colors, and texture. In this course, I want to share with you my passion for this type of pastry. I'll show you how to create a collection of healthier, lighter, and tastier petits gâteaux. For the recipes, we've used nutrient-rich ingredients, and we've reduced sugars and saturated fats. The goal is to create lighter elaborations without giving up an indulgent tasting experience. In addition, all the elaborations are gluten-free. 2 of them are also lactose-free. In terms of flavor, we've worked with fruit pairings, such as strawberry and mango, and with nuts such as peanuts and almonds. We've also used dairy products, cocoa, and other aromatic ingredients such as coffee and vanilla. We'll start by making a strawberries and mascarpone petit gâteau. In its different textures, we'll combine the flavors of almond, vanilla, mascarpone, and strawberry. An ideal pairing for those who love strawberries and cream. You'll learn to create an elegant and delicate finish for the most special occasions. We'll continue with the Java Stone, a very interesting creation, which combines ingredients such as coffee and smoked chocolate. It's a flavor-rich and surprising creation, for which we created appetizing textures such as a light dark chocolate mousse and a coffee and caramel creamy. Next, we'll make the peach tartlet, a simple, modern, and fresh product that combines peach with almonds. We'll continue with a very popular preparation to which we've given our own twist, the Banoffee. In this petit gâteau, we combine peanut with milk chocolate, banana, and salted caramel. An exotic and delicious pairing. The next elaboration is a mango cheesecake, in which the flavor of the fruit perfectly pairs with the cream cheese and helps us transform a classic dessert into a unique and refreshing elaboration. Finally, we'll make a 100% hazelnut petit gâteau, in which we'll work with up to 5 different textures, all made up of hazelnut, to discover the different possibilities of working with this ingredient. Uncover the petit gâteau pastry and boost your business with healthier, lighter, and tastier elaborations.